ISOKO man or other side, ISOKO men, and this is to you. Everybody, I have good news for us. The old man will see your command. Give me a man will see. Almost ISOKO job. Olo are you old man job? Ola anya wesero no love there with that giant side. Me wolo de second Agbole papa. No. Omufia. Ebe pa ma tele. Ote bobu ona lejo sile ho. Ebeti. Ate solo ISOKO. Ole na roji rogene. Ole nuwebi yoy. Yes, iraberi oma. Ole nuwebi yoy. Wege fie ba ogene. Ifi ererano. I want to present to you the latest body in town, the latest minister, the latest evangelist in town, all the way from ISOKO Kingdom, all the way from ISOKO Nation. I told you before that we ISOKO people, we are blessed. Yes, we are blessed. Without wasting your time, I present to you the latest music in town. Hello. Just take a look. We've been waiting. We've been waiting. No, say ISOKO viomo ti ISOKO so. Oye Maria Fio, Minister, Peace. Dede. What's that guy so this? Very well molejo. Orobo so. Video mena bi poro yere ole noi. Efa jebeje ye. Ole ko imero. Tuma fi oboho ko mo mamai. Ole album nonna. Please try and grab your copy. Promote your sister. Support your sister. Please follow her page, follow her on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Please. Thank you. As you do that, God bless you. ISOKO. Wado.
Hey, Obie. Maswem Yujiro.